We're counting down 5 laundry detergent brands that might leave more than just clean clothes behind, plus 2 options that actually keep residue to a minimum. From overlooked budget formulas to major brands with hidden chemicals, each spot on this list reveals a new reason for concern about what stays on your skin every day. Which detergent poses the greatest hidden risk, and which are truly safer? Let's begin with number 5. Purex is a familiar name in laundry aisles, known for its low price and simple packaging. But the budget formula comes with a hidden cost. The detergent's thin, watery consistency makes it easy to pour more than you need, especially when loads are heavily soiled or extra large. Independent testing found that fabrics washed with Purex retained nearly 40% more residue than fabrics cleaned with most mid-market brands. This leftover film doesn't just rinse away, it stays in towels, underwear, and sheets, pressed against skin for hours at a time. For families trying to save money, the daily exposure to excess chemicals is an unexpected trade-off. Arm & Hammer is often seen as a safe choice, thanks to its familiar baking soda branding and claims of natural cleaning. The packaging suggests a gentle formula, but a closer look at the ingredient list tells a different story. Baking soda makes up less than 5% of the liquid detergent. The main cleaning agents are sodium lauryl sulfate and sodium laureth sulfate, 2 surfactants known to irritate sensitive skin and disrupt the natural skin barrier. These harsh cleansers leave residue in fabric after each wash, especially in towels and clothes that sit close to the skin. For people with eczema or allergies, daily exposure can cause dry, itchy patches that do not go away. The wholesome image does not match the formulation, leaving many families with more irritation than they bargained for. Gain is one of the most recognized names in laundry detergent, drawing families in with its promise of lasting freshness. The signature scent is engineered to remain on fabric long after the wash, using complex fragrance systems designed to bind to fibers and release slowly over time. But what smells clean may carry hidden risks. Independent research from the University of Washington found that popular scented detergents, including Gain, emit over 25 volatile organic compounds, none of which appear on the label. Among these are acetaldehyde and benzene, classified as hazardous air pollutants by the EPA. These chemicals do not just stay in the fabric. They are released into the air every time clothes are worn or dried, and they can enter the lungs with each breath. The term fragrance on the bottle hides dozens of undisclosed ingredients, protected as trade secrets. For anyone sensitive to chemicals, or for families with young children, the invisible residue and airborne emissions from heavy fragrance formulas like Gain are a daily, often overlooked exposure. Persil Pro Clean is marketed as a high-performance detergent, promising deep cleaning for tough stains. But there is a hidden risk that does not appear on the label. Many of Persil's cleaning agents are ethoxylated surfactants, compounds created through a chemical process that can leave behind a contaminant called 1,4-dioxane. This byproduct is not added on purpose, and it is almost never listed as an ingredient. Independent lab testing has detected 1,4-dioxane in a wide range of mainstream detergents, including those with similar formulations. The EPA classifies 1,4-dioxane as a probable human carcinogen, and it can be absorbed through the skin or inhaled from fabrics. Because it is a manufacturing byproduct, consumers have no way to spot it on the ingredient list or avoid it through label reading. This invisible risk means that even careful shoppers may be exposed to a chemical linked to long-term health concerns every time they do laundry. Tide is the most widely used laundry detergent in the United States, found in millions of homes and laundromats. Its reputation for powerful cleaning and long-lasting scent has made it a household staple for generations. But the same formula that delivers bright whites and bold fragrances leaves behind measurable residue in every wash. Researchers at Clemson University found that after just 10 wash cycles, fabrics washed with regular grocery store detergents, Tide included, gained about 2% in weight from detergent residue alone. That buildup is not just a trace. It is enough to affect the feel and breathability of towels, sheets, and clothes. For people using Tide daily, that means a constant layer of chemicals pressed against skin, especially in areas where fabric is tight or damp. The sheer number of households using Tide turns a small residue into a massive collective exposure. With each wash, the invisible layer grows, making daily contact with detergent chemicals almost impossible to avoid. EcoS. Liquid detergent offers a practical alternative for anyone looking to reduce daily chemical exposure from laundry. It relies on a plant-based formula with minimal additives. Independent third-party testing shows that fabrics washed with EcoS retain 50 to 70% less residue compared to leading conventional detergents. That means fewer surfactants and almost no synthetic fragrance left behind on towels, sheets, and clothing. The light scent comes from natural essential oils, not complex chemical blends. For families with sensitive skin, or for people who want fewer unknowns in their routine, EcoS provides a meaningful reduction in residue without sacrificing cleaning power. While it does not offer full ingredient transparency like the very safest brands, it stands out for its commitment to simpler, low-residue formulas. This makes EcoS a strong second choice for safer everyday laundry. 7th generation. Free and Clear stands out for one simple reason: transparency. Every ingredient is listed online, in line with California's right-to-know law, so there are no hidden chemicals and no vague terms like fragrance. The formula avoids synthetic scents entirely and uses only what is needed to clean. Independent groups, including the Environmental Working Group, give it an A rating for safety. For daily laundry, this is a detergent with nothing to hide and fewer compromises, making it the safest choice for families who want true peace of mind. Across all 7 brands, one pattern stands out. Detergent residue is a daily reality, not an exception. Choosing safer formulas is not extra caution. It is basic self-care. Your skin deserves better.